Holly McKhann here with Cheryl Family of the Brain Health Screening Company, and I'm really excited to bring her to you today because I'm a huge believer in optimization of all kinds of things in life, including health. And when I met Cheryl and heard about what she was doing, I was excited to help her spread her good news and her mission to help the world with brain health. So, Cheryl, tell us a little bit about your company and what it does.
Thank you. Sure. And first and foremost, thank you for having me. I really
Of
appreciate that,
course.
and the opportunity to speak to your audience. So basically, we do a test that is non-invasive. In other words, we don't touch you. It is not blood. We're not putting any kind of device on you. It involves an iPad and a tester who asks questions of you, and maybe a few manipulatives that you would use. We test different populations. We test younger persons who are involved in sports and sports leagues for concussion. So we can test after concussion. We can also test in advance. So before the season begins, getting a baseline in case there is concussion, or if there's concussion afterwards, to make a comparative to see if therapy is working. Also, cognitive decline as it's associated to depression, anxiety, PTSD, cognitive decline for TBI, traumatic brain injuries. And then, of course, I think that everybody 45 plus should have a good baseline, because we don't plan to have dementia. We don't plan to have a head injury. We don't plan to have anything happen to us, but having that good snapshot really helps.
And it happens. So it's for either young athletes or people 45 or older to get a baseline. Is that
Get a
what it's
baseline.
primarily for? Okay.
Yes. And then, of course, for anybody experiencing, a lot of women may say during menopause, this is brain fog. So differentiating, is this brain fog or could this be early dementia or early Alzheimer's? This is a completely 15 minutes to 30 minutes neuropsychological battery as a screen. So instead of 6 to 8 hours with a neuropsych or in advance of to screen if you really do need those more invasive, more expensive steps.
Can you tell us about what your experience has been and what you've seen with some of the tests?
Wow, it's been amazing. I have to say, we do want to make that difference. We want to be, you do a blood test, you do a mammogram, you do a colonoscopy. What have they done for your brain? And we want to be that screening by empowering people. People don't necessarily know that Alzheimer's can be stopped. Alzheimer's can be treated. Alzheimer's, it is not a death sentence. There are many cases of reversal. So we want to help that, and we want to empower people with their brains.
Oh, I love it. So Cheryl, what made you want to do this and start this company?
Oh, it's exciting. I've actually known about this test. This test has been out there since 1979, and it is used all over the United States. Actually, it's in 8 languages and it's used globally. But I just felt that it was time that the community themselves, that people themselves can choose to be tested, can choose to have that information. Being preventive is my goal here. Rather than reactionary. Empowering people is my goal here. So it's really after my own heart. I've had many, many family members with dementia.
Okay.
And I think this would just be a great way to get back to the community.
Do you have an example of someone that has taken your test and what they experienced?
Sure. So we've had a really good variety. Again, people who thought they had brain fog, people with menopause, worries about what it's doing to their brain, and differentiating elderly patients who did show signs of dementia. Again, dementia is not an on and off, right? We're testing 8 domains, and we're telling you in which domain results are available right away. So we're just seeing a really good variety, and just people who are ecstatic, who go, oh, thank goodness. Or, okay, now I know what to do from here, and now I can reduce my risk. So very rewarding.
I love it.
Yeah.
And what differentiates you and your company?
Okay, well, that's great. So we didn't develop the test. We are using the test, but we don't really have a competitor out there in that this is neuropsychological testing. So different from a MOCA or those types of tests, this test is a neuropsychological test. But a neuropsych test, the wait is about 6 to 9 months, and the test takes 8 hours.
Wow.
Not everybody needs to wait that period of time or devote that much money or time to it. This screens and lets you know, hey, yes, maybe I should be going to the next step versus no,
You're okay.
I'm okay. And the beauty of the test is that because it's been automated, has a lot of AI. So we're able to superimpose what concussion would look like, what dementia would look like, what is normal for your age parameters. So it's just really robust.
So what do the test results look like? Is it like typed out text, or is it some kind of diagram of the brain, or what does it look like?
So it does give you a graph and the scatter plot, and we do give you the data, the domains being tested, and any profiles that you want us to put over it. We report the results, then we do send it to you. You can share it with your doctors, and we've had some doctors, call us to review the results and to talk about the findings. And it is up to the patient to share the data. We do not share the data with anyone.
Got it. So privacy is completely protected.
Absolutely.
So Cheryl, can you walk me through what it looks like to do this test?
Sure. Actually, I'm going to drive up to our building and enter this great door here. And then you're just sitting with your tester.
Okay.
And she has an iPad and a keyboard in front of her. She's going to start asking you a series of questions, and you're just answering those questions. If need be, there's some tiles that we give you and a few manipulatives, and it's that simple. It's that easy. You're looking at a great view of the trees behind you. It is a relaxing atmosphere. We understand it is anxiety aroused. We understand that people hesitate to be tested because they don't necessarily want the results, but we want people to know that we want to be preventive, and knowing allows us to take definitive action and to do things that will improve our quality of life, right?
Yes, 100%.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you.
So how is this covered by insurance, or is it cash pay, or how does it
That's a great, because we don't want to have that referral, because we want to have persons refer themselves. We do provide you with a super bill.
Okay.
So that super bill will have the codes, and you can present that to insurance. Different insurances, including Medicare, pay different amounts. And we do help you in that.
Okay.
We give you the super bill.
So I have a question about how much it costs, because one time I called a brain clinic in Newport Beach because I was kind of interested and heard about this doctor on a podcast, and their fee for their brain testing was $5,000. I'm assuming you're not that much. Can I ask about the price? How much is it?
Yeah, so all these things are always daunting, but again, we do give you the super bill. You can give it to insurance, but it's $300.
Wow. Okay. So it's affordable for most people, and it can be reimbursed by insurance for some people.
Yes. And to differing amounts based on your insurance, we do provide you that super bill. But again, this is screening versus, it's thousands of dollars to do neuropsychological testing. It's hours of investment. There's blood tests and CTs and MRIs, but it needs to be worth it to go to that step.
Right.
Let's start with a screening, and go to the next step.
Makes it very affordable and great to get a baseline. I'm excited to get my own baseline.
Excellent.
Because I am a little over age 45 now.
Oh.
So yes.
Just by a minute or so, right?
So Cheryl, if somebody's interested in learning more about this and maybe getting their own scan, or for a family member or loved one, how do they get in touch with you?
Oh, that's wonderful. So we do have a website called brainhealthscreening.com.
Okay.
You can call us at 949-215-3026. And then we do have a Facebook page. We have an Instagram page, LinkedIn page. But yeah, we would love to even just engage in the conversation.
And people come in person for the screening, correct? And we're in Mission Viejo, very close to the freeway off Crown Valley Parkway.
Yes.
So very freeway close and easily accessed for anywhere in Orange County.
And if there's doctors or different providers out there, we do go um, to different providers and do testing from their
Oh, nice.
offices as well, as is needed.
Right. What a great
Absolutely.
service. Well, thank you for being here
Thank you,
today. We
Holly. I
appreciate
appreciate
you
it.
and how you're helping the world improve their brains.
Thank you. I appreciate it.